New sight. It's called blessings coming down. Yeah.
Sight, transforming swords and shields. What up? It's your boy, Sight, Taekwondo Hero Z, man. About to hit y'all with a video with me at the gym and at the dojo, working out. It's gonna be a real short clip, so sit back and enjoy it. Watch your boy get back in the fighting shape, man. Y'all have a blessed day. A little short clip of me training, doing some kata in the gym, and a spiral kick and some roundhouses on the pads in the dojo, man. Really trying to do it. You know, I'd appreciate y'all support. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm gonna put the link in the description box of my music because my mixtape is still available. So y'all go ahead and cop that, man. Love y'all. Have a blessed day. Sight, Taekwondo Hero Z. I'm out.
New sight. It's called blessings coming down. Yeah.
Sight, transforming swords and shields.